Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is ZGrills ZPG7002E pellet grill. According to Grill, Smoke, Bake, Roast, Braise, Barbecue, this is the most affordable yet high-quality pellet grills in the market. The sturdy grill has a stainless steel body for durability and rust resistances and includes porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. Their durable construction ensures that the grates do not chip and retains heat evenly. The ZPG7002E pellet grill provides you with 8-in-1 versatility. It allows you to grill, roast, braise, barbecue, smoke, bake, char grill, and also sear on the same appliance. Besides this, it contains a primary cooking space of 504 square inches along with a warming rack to give you a total of 700 square inches of cooking space. One button starts up and temperature control eliminates starter fluid. No need to run to the local station to trade in your propane. Electronic auto start ignition, digital auto temperature control, LED temperature readout. Super easy cooking even for beginners. Maintains the heat within 10 degrees of the set temperature for you from 180 degree Fahrenheit to 450 degree Fahrenheit and produce the optimal amount of smoke. Our second best pellet grill under $500 is Green Mountain Pellet Grill. Green Mountain includes foldable legs which can be turned into carrying handles, allowing you to fit the compact grill in your car and take it for your picnic. The grill has a portable design with dimensions of 32 by 16 by 21 inches and a weight of just 68 pounds. The Davy Crockett is the ultimate portable grill. It comes with a digital Wi-Fi controller control and monitor through our iOS or Android mobile application, a meat probe, a peak lid for stand-up chicken or large fowl rib racks, a convenience tray with utensil hooks. Also included is SenseMate, a thermal sensor which constantly monitors grill temperature. It can run on 12 volts or 120 AC, so it's perfect for home or camping, tailgating, hunting, houseboating, music festivals, or anywhere you can take it. Weighing in at 57 pounds with foldable legs, it can be placed in the trunk of any car. With the SenseMate technology, you can read off the internal temperature of the grill quite accurately too. Third in our list is Camp Chef SmokePro DLX Pellet Grill. The Camp Chef is the high-quality outdoor cooking appliance. With a stainless steel body, their DLX pellet grill offers rust resistance and a long lifetime. The 140-pound grill is supported by 2 caster wheels for portability, allowing you to move it from your storage to the backyard quickly. The DLX pellet grill brings you an easy, reliable smoke every time. The newly added Gen 2 controller is easy to use and introduces smoke control pit technology. Tailor the amount of smoke your meal gets by adjusting your smoke number. You'll get flawless cook after flawless cook. Plus, ash cleanout makes cleanup a breeze. With the meat probe accessory, you'll have total control over the temperature of your food. With an easy digital display, you will know in seconds what's going on under the grill lid. Hit the hot spot every time with the meat probe. Each cook on your pellet grill results in the ashes from your burned pellets. With a simple pull of the knob, the ashes drop from the burn cup into a removable cup on the underside of your pellet grill. Do this between each cook for an easy, clean way to flush the burner and dispose of the ashes. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our best pellet grill under $500 list is Pitboss 700FB pellet grill. This pellet grill has a high-grade steel gauge body with porcelain-coated cast iron grilling grates. Its construction offers rust resistance, durability, and sturdiness to ensure that the grill lasts a long time. Along with this, heavy-duty steel wheels offer maximum portability to the 118-pound pellet grill. The grill provides you with 8-in-1 versatility in cooking, allowing you to sear, broil, grill, smoke, bake, barbecue, roast, or char grill. Using this smart set it and forget it grill, you can set the preferred cooking style with ease, or just sear your meat over a high flame. Pitboss uses only all-natural cooking grade wood pellets for fuel. No gas, propane or charcoal. Built to last and designed to deliver immediate success. The easy-to-operate digital control center gives you complete control from 170 Fahrenheit to 600 Fahrenheit. Master your steaks and burgers just like your favorite steakhouse. The flame broiler is a simple slide plate which allows complete control for direct flame grilling. Cast iron cooking has never been easier. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Traeger Portable Wood Pellet Grill. With its digital thermostat, you can easily adjust the cooking temperature. You can make precise temperature adjustments in 5-degree increments. The Traeger Tailgater offers 300 square inches of cooking space and an 8-pound hopper capacity. Traeger created the original wood pellet grill as the ultimate way to achieve wood-fired taste. The Ironwood 885 takes it to the next level with precise temperature control. The Digital Pro controller rocks advanced grilling logic, which maintains a plus or minus 15-degree Fahrenheit temperature control to guarantee precision grilling. Take your grill and your wood-fired barbecue wherever you go. Whether it's your truck tailgate, the parking lot, out in the field or anywhere your travels take you, you'll never have to leave your smoke behind. Get reliable results thanks to consistent temperatures every single time. Traeger makes mastering your barbecue easy and repeatable. Traegers aren't just for grilling, you can smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue food too, from ribs to apple pie. Traeger grills are fueled by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets that infuse amazing wood-fired flavor into everything you cook.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!